Creatine is the most effective legal supplement for strength and muscle, but did you know about the brain gains to be had as well? A recent study looked at the effects of creatine on depression, and the results were pretty impressive. It was an 8-week trial, and they had 100 participants, 50 men and 50 women. They split them into two groups. So one group got cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, plus 5 grams of creatine every day, and the other group got cognitive behavioral therapy and just a placebo. They used a questionnaire to assess depression, and scores of 5 or more indicated depression. At the beginning of the study, both the groups were pretty similar in depression scores, a score of 17.7 on average, which is classified as moderate to severe depression. And here are the results after just 8 weeks. The CBT plus placebo group dropped to an average score of 11.9, which is still classified as moderate depression. The CBT plus 5 grams of creatine group dropped all the way to 5.8 on average, dropping right into the mild depression range and right on the verge of a normal classification. This study adds more to what we already know. Creatine is not only great for your muscles and strength, but it's also brilliant for your brain. It's safe, cheap, and well researched. And this is specifically about creatine monohydrate. Don't bother with the other versions. They are at best equally effective or at worst downright ineffective. Of course, creatine is not a replacement for proper treatment like therapy or medication, but in combination, it is showing quite a lot of promise. So the take-home point, creatine not only great for your muscles, but it's great for your brain as well. In 99% of scenarios, the water weight gain, which is in your muscles by the way, so if anything, it's going to make your muscles just look bigger, is absolutely worth it for the strength, power, and brain benefits. If you're not currently taking creatine, then why? Get on it. Creatine is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to maximizing your performance and recovery. If you want a clear, personalized plan to help you fuel your training, recover faster, and feel your best without the guesswork, then my online nutrition and training coaching can help you do exactly that. Click the link below for more information. And if you enjoyed this video, then YouTube recommends that you're going to like this video as well. So give it a watch.